Motivational lesson: how to solve any problem in life. Life is nothing but a long journey filled with moments of joy, challenges, and endless opportunities to grow. Some days feel smooth and easy, while others seem like storms that shake our confidence and test our patience. And in the middle of all this, we face problems: big ones, small ones, urgent ones, confusing ones. But here's the truth most people forget. Every problem has a solution. No matter how impossible it looks, no matter how overwhelming it feels, every challenge carries the seed of its own answer. The real question is not, do problems have solutions? The real question is, how do you train your mind to solve them? Let's explore a powerful, motivational, step-by-step mindset that helps you solve any problem in life. 1. Stop panicking. Start observing. When a problem appears, the first reaction of most people is panic. The mind becomes noisy, the heart beats faster, and negative thoughts begin to take over. But panic never solves anything. In fact, it blocks your ability to think clearly. The greatest skill you can build is calm observation. Take a deep breath, step back. Tell yourself, there is a solution. I just need to find it. When your mind becomes calm, solutions become visible. When your mind is restless, even simple answers look impossible. 2. Define the problem clearly. Most people fail to solve problems because they don't understand them properly. They jump to conclusions, assume things, or try random solutions without clarity. Clarity is your strongest weapon. Ask yourself, what exactly is the problem? When did it start? What caused it? What do I want as the final result? When you define the problem clearly, half the solution is already found. For example, if you're struggling in college, I am failing is not a clear problem. But I am not able to manage my study time well is specific. Specific problems lead to specific solutions. 3. Break the problem into smaller pieces. Any problem looks scary when it feels too big. But every big problem is just a collection of smaller, manageable parts. Think of how mountains are climbed, not in one big jump, but one small step at a time. Break your problem down into what you can control, what you can influence, what you cannot control. Then focus only on the first two. When you attack small parts one by one, solutions become easier and progress becomes visible. 4. Change your perspective. Sometimes the problem is not the problem. The real problem is how you are looking at it. When you shift your perspective, new ideas appear. Ask yourself, if my best friend had this problem, what advice would I give them? Has anyone solved this before? What did they do? What can this problem teach me? A problem is not a punishment. It's a teacher. It makes you stronger, wiser, more experienced, and more confident. Remember, your perspective can turn a challenge into an opportunity. 5. Learn to think in solutions, not in fear. People who solve problems in life are not the ones with fewer challenges. They are the ones who train their minds to look for solutions instead of feeling helpless. Replace thoughts like, why is this happening to me? It's too hard. I can't do this, with thoughts like, what can I do about this? There must be a way. Let me try a different approach. The mind follows the direction of your thoughts. If you feed it fear, it will find excuses. If you feed it hope, it will find solutions. 6. Take action. Even small action matters. Many people find the solution in their mind but fail to solve the problem because they never take action. The only way problems disappear is by doing something about them. Action creates confidence. Inaction creates doubt. Start with a small step. Even if it's tiny, it's powerful. Small steps bring momentum. Momentum brings bigger steps. And bigger steps bring breakthroughs. Your job is not to solve the whole problem in one day. Your job is to start. 7. Use the 3 solutions rule. Whenever you face a problem, try this. Write down 3 possible solutions, even if they seem imperfect. Why does this work? because it pushes your brain to think creatively. The first solution might be obvious, the second might take effort, but the third solution usually opens new doors you didn't see before. This technique trains your brain to think in possibilities rather than limitations. 8. Ask for help when needed. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of intelligence. Sometimes another person can see the solution faster because they are not emotionally involved in your problem. A mentor, a parent, a teacher, a friend, anyone who has more experience can guide you in ways you couldn't imagine. Great people are not great because they know everything. They are great because they know how to learn from others. 9. Don't fear failure. Use it. Every problem solver in history has failed many times. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. When a solution fails, you learn something new. What didn't work, why it didn't work, how to do it differently. Each failure is a step closer to the final answer, so don't be afraid of trying. Be afraid of not trying. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Some problems take time. Some solutions need effort. Some progress is slow, but slow progress is still progress. Every day you stay patient, consistent, and focused, you get stronger. Most people give up right before the solution appears. Don't be one of them. Tell yourself, I am closer than I think, because it's true. You just have to keep going. 11. Celebrate small wins. Every step you take deserves appreciation. When you celebrate small wins, your brain becomes more motivated. It builds positive energy, confidence, and momentum. Whether you solved a part of the problem, found a new idea, or simply stayed disciplined, celebrate it. Small wins build big victories. 12. Believe in your power. No solution works if you don't believe in yourself. Your confidence is the engine that drives your problem-solving ability. Tell yourself daily, I can handle anything life gives me. I am stronger than this problem. I am capable, smart, and resilient. Problems don't break strong people. Problems create strong people. Final message, you are bigger than your problems. Remember this always. You have solved countless problems before. You will solve countless more in the future. Every problem you face today is building the person you are becoming tomorrow. Your struggles are shaping your strength. Your challenges are building your character. Your obstacles are preparing you for a bigger, brighter life. So whenever a problem stands in front of you, don't run, don't fear, don't give up. Stand tall and say, I was born to solve this, because you truly were. And once you learn to solve problems with confidence, focus, and the right mindset, there is nothing in this world that can stop you.